Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. In today's episode, we will learn about the Samri. There was a person in the Bani Israel called Samri. When Sayyiduna Musa alayhi salam was staying on Mount Sinai, Samri took advantage of his absence for producing heresy. He asked for gold and silver jewelry from the Bani Israel, melted it to mold a calf. After this, he put the dust of the hoofs of the horse of Sayyiduna Jibra alayhi salam into the mouth of the calf. By virtue of it, the calf started to speak. Then Samri said to Bani Israel, "O my people, Sayyiduna Musa alayhi salam has gone to the Mount Sinai to see the vision of the Rabb, whereas this calf is your Lord. Therefore you should worship this calf." The Bani Israel got misguided from this speech of Samri, and except for 12,000 people, rest of them admitted the calf to be the god. After witnessing it speaking, they started prostrating and worshipping before it. Therefore Allah has said, "And behind Musa, his people molded a calf from their ornaments, a lifeless body making sounds like a cow." After 40 days, when Sayyiduna Musa alayhi salam returned to his town after talking to Allah and bringing the holy Tawrah with him, he flew into fury to see his people worshipping the calf. Sayyiduna Musa alayhi salam placed the Tawrah on the ground out of anger and started dragging his brother Haroon alayhi salam by holding him from his beard, snatched his hair and started beating him, saying that why he did not prevent them from committing that evil act. Sayyiduna Haroon alayhi salam apologized as mentioned in the Holy Quran. "O son of my mother, the people thought I was weak and would have probably killed me, so do not make my enemies laugh at me and do not link me amongst the oppressor." After hearing this apology from Sayyiduna Haroon alayhi salam, the anger of Sayyiduna Musa alayhi salam faded away. He supplicated for his brother Sayyiduna Haroon alayhi salam forgiveness and for mercy upon him. Then he broke the calf into small pieces, burned it and dispersed the ash into the river.